Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mic type and making immediate connections. Plug in USB or pair Bluetooth now. Once connected, make sure the mic has power and appears in your system device list, because that visibility is the gatekeeper. Next, open the calling app settings and set the input to default or prevent automatic switching, so the app won't steal audio from your main mic. This prevents interruptions and prepares the system for explicit routing, which we'll configure next. Once done with hardware, open your OS sound control and assign the secondary mic as the primary input for calls or communications, because calling apps often follow OS priorities. If the app won't accept the device, install a virtual audio driver, voice meter, loopback, or equivalent, and route the secondary mic into a virtual input channel. Then match sample rates and set gain to avoid clipping, lower gain if you hear distortion, and switch to mono if the app mishandles stereo inputs. Now finalize by running a private test call or local recording to verify clarity. Speak at normal volume and observe meters. Make app-specific tweaks. Select the virtual input if used, disable aggressive auto gain or noise suppression when it drops your voice, and confirm push-to-talk settings. If things go wrong, check drivers, try another USB port, reboot the audio service, or switch Bluetooth codec. These steps usually resolve device recognition or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.